Hello! In today's short and simple video tutorial, we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here we want to, well, somehow get to the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear icon, or you can just open up the settings app. Here, look for the system settings, languages and input, on-screen keyboard. Choose what keyboard is currently in use. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard. Go for the preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will see now, once we activate the toggle, the separate number line or the separate number row is successfully activated. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.